Gardeners are told if your soil is dead, just add more compost. But often the results disappoint. We pile on compost hoping for life, but the soil stays hard and lifeless. The problem? We treat soil like an empty container, not a living ecosystem. Healthy soil is alive, a bustling world of microbes, bacteria, fungi, protozoa, nematodes. Compost is food, not life itself. Without microbes, it just sits there. The real secret: awaken the dormant life already in your soil. These microbes break down matter, unlock nutrients and build structure. Our job isn't just to add food, but to signal this sleeping army to wake up. Compost helps, but it's not magic on its own. The real transformation happens when you combine organic matter, moisture, and a diverse population of microbes. By cultivating a living system, we can revive soil faster than you think. Reviving soil is simple. No digging required. Start with hydration. Dead soil repels water, so gently soak it several times until it's damp a few inches down. This signals dormant microbes that it's time to wake up. Next, add a thin green layer, grass clippings, chopped weeds, or kitchen scraps. Then a thicker brown layer, leaves, shredded cardboard or straw. This mimics nature's decomposition, creating the perfect habitat for soil life. Don't dig, preserve any surviving life and fungal networks. The combination of moisture, nitrogen-rich greens and carbon-rich browns invites microbes to multiply. This surface layering is the foundation for rapid soil revival. Let nature do the work from the top down. Now, supercharge the process with a microbial drench, a probiotic for your soil. Make your own, fill a bucket with non-chlorinated water, add a handful of living compost or woodland soil, and a tablespoon of molasses. Stir well and let it sit for 24 hours. The result? A liquid teeming with beneficial microbes. Drench your prepared bed, soaking through the layers and into the soil. This delivers billions of active microbes right where they're needed. Instead of waiting months, you jumpstart the transformation in days. The microbes break down organic matter, cycle nutrients, and build structure fast. This is the catalyst for your 15-day soil revival. In the first week, most changes are invisible. Bacteria explode in number, breaking down green matter and binding soil particles. By week 2, you'll see the mulch darken and shrink as fungi take over. Look for white fungal threads. These networks transport water and nutrients. After 15 days, push back the mulch. The soil is darker, crumbly, and smells earthy. Water soaks in easily, showing improved structure. Plant roots will quickly explore this revived zone. You can now plant directly into the transformed soil. The difference is clear. Living soil supports plants far better than chemical fixes. This is a living, self-sustaining system. Your soil is ready for new life. You've revived your soil in just 2 weeks. Now keep it alive. Always keep soil covered with organic mulch, straw, wood chips, or living plants. This protects, feeds, and sustains your underground workforce. Feed lightly and regularly. Scatter grass clippings or compost every few weeks. Avoid chemical fertilizers and pesticides. They destroy soil life. Keep roots growing year-round with cover crops or continuous planting. Living roots feed microbes and build resilience. Try this 15-day method and witness the transformation. By working with nature, you become a true steward of living soil.